Hello and welcome to your Friday afternoon WYDOT weather briefing. I'm day weather meteorologist Mark Huer. Well, a little bit of some light snow and snow shower activity in the western mountains developing late tonight. Otherwise, clear conditions, clear sailing, I should say, for travel and outdoor activities into and through tonight. Over the course of Saturday, areas of strong winds and also increasing areas of snow. Then as we get into Sunday, trending colder statewide, large trough of cold low pressure starts to invade Wyoming. We'll see some areas of high winds early to midday Sunday and also some lingering areas of light to maybe a little bit of moderate snow. Here for tonight, we're going to be watching some late night light snow and snow shower activity across our western and northwestern mountains, including Togety, Teton, Passes, South Pass, also the northern side of the Uintas and potentially the Three Sisters along I-80 between Lyman and Evanston. Traced to maybe a half an inch for these high mountain passes, possibly some slick spots late tonight after midnight. Otherwise, dry and quiet through tonight. Now for your Saturday, weather conditions start to get interesting. A lot going on tomorrow. Let's start out west. Our western and northwestern mountains and valleys, increasing daytime light snow and snow showers. By the evening, then especially overnight hours, as Pacific moisture and energy slam into the west, along with the leading edge of a cold front, we're going to be looking at moderate to heavy snow in the western valleys and mountains. 2 to 4 inches by early Sunday morning. In our valleys with 4 to 7 inches on our mountain passes. Impacts to travel should be expected. Some blowing snow as well. Going to be an issue in the far west and northwest. Also across the western third of the state as we get into the overnight hours. A little bit of some light snow and snow shower activity. First, it'll start as a rain-snow mix in the evening. Going to be some strong gusty winds, 25 to 40 miles an hour for this area as well. Some blowing snow late. Some road impacts should be expected. As we get into Saturday night, some slick spots on many roadways in this shaded area from a trace to maybe 2 inches of snowfall. Elsewhere across the state, little snow up in the Bighorns overnight, won't amount to anything. A little bit of some light to moderate snow potentially in the southern and southwestern mountains. Snowy Range Pass and Battle Mountain Pass could get 1 to 3 to maybe 4 inches, a trace to 1 inch elsewhere across the Laramie Valley, out towards Rawlins, up towards Muddy Gap, just enough to potentially slick up the roads late Saturday night into early Sunday, and there will be some blowing snow. Now through the day Saturday, we've got this swath of strong and gusty winds from southwestern Wyoming to the northeast. These are going to be strong south to southwest winds in advance of this cold front. 15 to 30, some gusts of 45 to 55 during the day. Looks like we'll just miss out on potential high wind alerts and any high wind closures for light and high profile vehicles Saturday, but it will be close. Sunday, that doesn't look to be the case for our winds. Unfortunately, we're going to be looking at the high potential of early to midday wind gusts in excess of 55 to 65 miles an hour around many of the same locations, but especially between Laramie and Rawlins early in the morning along I-80 and also then up towards Muddy Gap and the Casper and Douglas, up towards Casper or Buffalo area between Cheyenne and Laramie. High winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour potentially during the day. I-25 probably going to miss out on the 60 plus mile per hour winds. Cheyenne north through Bordeaux to Wheatland, but it will be close. Elsewhere across the state, little bit of some rain and snow during the day in the far east and southeast, little snow shower activity overnight. Won't amount to anything, but we could see some evening and overnight slick spots in the far east and southeast. Elsewhere across the state, here outside of our high wind areas, some light snow showers during the day, traced to 1 inch new as possible. Some slick and icy spots going to redevelop late in the day and overnight as temperatures plummet. It'll be the Bighorns and also the northwestern mountains. This area is shaded in a darker blue. That'll see a little bit heavier snowfall on Sunday. Nothing excessive, but another 2 to 5 inches of possibility. Slick and icy roads likely. Some blowing snow during the day. We also have some concerns of black ice, blowing snow, and road impacts along sections of I-90, especially mid to late afternoon Sunday into the evening hours as the Arctic air punches south. Some light snow and freezing road surfaces will be a possibility. So that's another area to keep in mind. All in all, we have some busy weather coming up across the weekend, but nothing too severe. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.